Hello, welcome back. Today we're going to explore a fireworks stand here in Chiang Mai, Thailand. In America, of course, you've got, in many places you have gun stores on every corner, and many citizens own guns, and there's plenty of places to legally shoot off the guns. But it's kind of rare here. As a foreigner, I can't own a gun, for instance. I think very few Thai citizens actually own guns. Anyway, the contrast is there's lots of fireworks stands here. This is a permanent store. In America, of course, you see some states who have a fireworks stand on the side of the road for a couple of weeks before the 4th of July, and then it's gone. Here, because there's plenty of celebrations all through the year, and an excuse to shoot things off. But my fire flower, is what that translates to. Anyway, let's explore to see what's available here. This is the last week of December, so people are getting ready, I'm sure, to celebrate the Western New Year. Of course, in Thailand they have at least 3 New Years, and they're all exclusive for celebration. Let's go. Sparklers, there's any number of things. One thing that seemed to be kind of rare is large explosives. Not sure about that. These are really common, and I'll pick up some of those. And of course, sparklers. It's just a small family celebration with the kids, so there's not going to be too. Oh, jeez. These are murders. Yeah, no wonder. This is a pack of preloaded mortars here. What if you go, there's 9 there. You just set them off, they go up in the city. That's pretty crazy. I'll find something. Okay, plenty of stuff ready to go tonight. So I got a pack of stuff. It's mostly for the kids. It's only 110 baht.
10 บาทครับ
So that'll be fun.
โอเคครับ
So I picked up a nice little selection here, and well, we won't find out what it's all like until the 1st of this next year. It's a nice little soy here. Lots of street food. Lots of motorcycles running back and forth. A couple massage parlors here. Take it yourself. It's fun. Let me try to look at my haul and see what we're going to use before I go home. These look like they're regular bottle rockets. And of course these are sparklers. And these are little poppers, party poppers. They're not even explosive per se. They're just for the fun. And the guy recommended these. They're not dangerous, something fun for the kids to play with. And that's about it. Of course, we won't know until it's time to celebrate. And stay tuned for that.